back also. Now on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hi, welcome to Learn with Diva. Today we'll be doing a dangerous magic trick called the slice your neck with the rope trick. This trick is really dangerous, so don't do it at home unless I show you how, which I'm going to do at the end. So let's begin. So here's a solid piece of rope, it's all connected. So what I'm going to do in this trick is I'm going to put this at the back of my neck, and then I'm going to slice my neck to put it like over here. So here I'm putting it at the back of my neck. Now on the count of 3, I'm going to slice it over. Now you can see from both sides it's all connected. Now 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to show you one more time. Over here, jack, jack, and over here, jack from the back also. Now on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Let me first show you in slow motion. Now I'll show you how to set up your hands. Now, in the rope, put your 2 thumbs at the edges and then place it at the back of your neck. You have to cover your hands so the audience can't see what you're doing. Watch carefully what I'm doing with my thumbs. Now I'm going to release the string. I hope you enjoyed learning this trick with me. To learn more, please subscribe to my channel. So let me put it over here. Now it's all tight, see? Now on the count of 3, I'm going to do it. 1, 2. Let me first show you in slow motion. Let me first show you in slow motion.